issued a tornado warning for East Central Jasper County in northwest Indiana until 2:15 p.m. At 1:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Moody and moving at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will affect mainly the rural areas of East Central Jasper County. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is